Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fund your MetaMask wallet. First, ensure your MetaMask extension or mobile app is installed and set up. You'll need your seed phrase and password handy for access. We'll cover the most common ways to add funds, making sure you understand each step. This guide will help you get started quickly and securely with your digital assets. One straightforward way to fund your MetaMask wallet is by purchasing cryptocurrency directly through the wallet's interface. MetaMask integrates with several third-party providers, allowing you to use a debit card, credit card, or even a bank transfer. Simply select the Buy option, choose your preferred provider, and follow their instructions to complete your purchase. Be aware that transaction fees and available cryptocurrencies can differ based on your location. Another popular method is transferring cryptocurrency from a centralized exchange where you already hold assets. Log into your exchange account, navigate to the withdrawal section, and select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Crucially, copy your MetaMask wallet address precisely and paste it into the recipient field. Always double-check that you've selected the correct network, such as Ethereum mainnet, to avoid losing your funds during the transfer. When funding your MetaMask wallet, security is paramount. Always verify the wallet address multiple times before confirming any transaction, especially for larger sums. Consider sending a small test amount first to ensure everything works correctly. Remember, your seed phrase is your ultimate key. Never share it with anyone. For more helpful tips and to check out those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.